Find or read reviews that people are talking about TIMONK small handheld car vacuum cleaner cordless. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Lightweight and cordless design. The car vacuum adopts a cordless design. Get rid of tangled cords. You can easily move and clean every corner of the home and car. The handheld vacuum only weighs 11.34 ounces. It will not feel tired even if it is held for a long time. The cordless handheld vacuum is small and will not take up too much space. An ordinary drawer or car storage box can accommodate. All-around cleaning. Our car vacuum cleaner equipped with 3 different types of nozzles. A crevice nozzle for narrow gaps, corners, a wide mouth nozzle for carpet and seats, and a brush nozzle for car and air conditioning vents. These accessories of this hand vacuum can be combined according to your specific cleaning needs to comprehensively clean the home and car environment. Don't worry about dead corners anymore. Powerful suction and wet and dry mini vacuum. This cordless rechargeable dust busters is equipped with a high-power motor, provides 6,000 PA suction power. It can easily suck up not only dust, food residue, pet hair, and debris, but also knocked over liquids, making your cleaning work easier. Type-C fast charging. The portable vacuum cleaner adopts a Type-C charging interface, which saves charging time compared to ordinary USB charging technology. This portable vacuum equipped with a charging cable, you can easily charge whether you are at home, in the car, or on the go. Upgraded HEPA and washable filter. The handheld vacuum features an enhanced HEPA filter with a high-quality filter wrap that further extends the life of the filter, prevents clogging, and ensures powerful suction. And other features that video introduce the latest products channel does not recommend. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.